Travel smartly and full of excellent reading for perfect stays and to accelerate travel experience. Using the loyalty program is so affordable way. Marriott Bonvoy is a lifestyle choice for staying and accommodations. Over 30 hotel brands globally. Starting the journey over Bonvoy towards the Silver Elite by staying 10 nights per year to attain and maintain this level status. With all conditions and policies, this level in Marriott Bonvoy offers a wonderful collection of benefits, and the following are the mains. Priority in late checkout, 10% bonus points, instant redemption, exclusive member rate, complimentary status match with Sixt, the global rental cars agency. Our reading from the literature via the digital channels of Marriott Bonvoy. Be a lifelong friend for the channel. This is Shadi. To the next XP, have a wonderful day.